is this place? And who are you? I was on my way to Hogsmeade and suddenly something happened, and I don't quite recognize this place. You wouldn't happen to have directions, would you, Muggle? I thought not. Ah well. Since I'm here, why don't we do a little exchange of gifts? I'll gift you something you probably can't make, and all I ask for is eternal servitude, and perhaps your soul. Fair exchange, right? Anyways, I promise you, once you have this delicious butterbeer, you'll never go back to any horrid, wretched thing you muggles like to drink. Let me just get ready to cook, and we'll be on our way. The first thing I will need is... Muggle, is it common for your kind to wallow around in the dark? I suppose I will have to do everything myself. Lumos Maxima! I also suppose, since your larders are bare, I must conjure the ingredients as well. Since we have to respect Gamp's law of transfiguration, I will see what I can do. You need beer, eggs, pumpkin spice, brown sugar, a large pot of some kind, or a cauldron, if you're so inclined, and don't forget the butter. It is, after all, butterbeer. Place the beer into your cauldron of choice and apply some heat. Incendio! Oh, sorry, you can't use magic. I believe the term is medium-high heat. And since we are not those common folk of the Hufflepuff house, apply your spice of pumpkin in a very lavish manner into that lovely beer. Combine well, lest ye wish it burn. And now it's time for double toil and cauldron bubble. Oh, did my warlock stereotypes offend you? Well, excuse me, I am a warlock. Now whip your eggs and sugar together in the most unconventional way possible. You muggles surely know a thing or two about hard labor. I wouldn't know since I was 11, but I guess our experiences are hardly the same. Once you are sure you have well combined the two, go ahead and add it to the beer in your cauldron if you would. And unlike those boorish Gryffindor, make sure you do not waste even a morsel. Now say with me, double, double toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble, fillet of a fenny snake, in the cauldron boil and bake, eye of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dog, adder's fork and blindworm sting, lizard's leg and howlet's wing, for a charm of powerful trouble, like a hellbroth boil and bubble. I would commend you on a job well done, but of course that was me. Now make sure, for the best part of your butterbeer, to add the butter, you impotent fool. Once you have completely dissolved the butter into your beer mixture, your butterbeer is complete and ready to serve. I'll wait for my thanks. Oh, and before you do something quite comical, make sure that if you serve it in a glass instead of a mug, that glass has some kind of heat-resisting charm on it, or I guess as you muggles like to put it, tempered glass. I'll be taking this, thank you. Ah, well, you, again, Muggle. I can't say that it was not a pleasure, but alas, I must be on my way. Wizarding world to save. Not like there's any Harry Potters out there doing any good. But, if you should need something, return here. After all, you still owe me that soul. I'd say it was a pleasure, but I hope we never see each other again.